the Mercedes K45. Problem I had is when I pulled the carriage return lever, it wasn't going back to the start of the line where I set my margin stop. So it would go there, and instead of going there where it should, it would go to the second place. It would bounce back. So in effect it was doing this and ending up there, or even further back in. So I would have lines that started one space in. Quite a common problem. It could be called the bouncing return. So it goes like this. Boom, boom. That's extreme slow motion, but you get the idea. It's hard to replicate once you've fixed the problem. There should be about that much play. The back panel attaches there, but it screws in there, and the same on the other side. It's quite tricky to access. I needed to use a long flathead screwdriver just to be able to get at it, because you have to reach in underneath this bent lip part. Guess that's the paper rest. So you take these 3 screws out, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 on the other side, and this back panel, which lips underneath this side panel, pulls out like so, and then you just pull it out that way. Then I'm holding the machine up this way. There's one, there's the other, there's the third. One, the other, the third. Those 3 can be moved to the left slightly. Managed to bring them over, but I think I've got them over a bit too far now. And by that I mean there's not enough play there, but that's one click over. Whereas if I press the space bar, you get that much play out of the space bar. That's the carriage return lever pulled all the way, space bar. So I really want it to be about half the width of a space bar click. So I'm going to adjust it back about halfway between those 2 points, hopefully. Now you can see those same 3 screws. Before I'd moved them there was a gap on the left. After I moved them there was a gap on the right. Now there isn't much of a gap on either side. There's a little bit of gap on the left. But I'm hoping that will improve the situation. We have got them aligned even on the quite forceful returns. There's no point testing the alignment if you're not going to give it a forceful return. It's all well and good going like this, but that isn't how people really type. They go like this sometimes, and I've done that a few times just to test it, and it's aligning properly now. There's just that much play in it, which is good. that itself stops this part. That controls the range of motion of this part, and that's what we adjusted with those 3 screws. So now when you pull the carriage return lever, has about that much play in it, which is proven to be ideal. Spacebar, carriage return.